What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this one, I have made another amazing impulse purchase for the Allroad. It's in a little bit of disrepair right now, but we're gonna disregard that for right now. But that being said, impulse stuff, we're gonna be continuing with overlanding mods today, and we actually have to go ahead and ditch the roof rack that we built for this guy. And if you're new to the channel here, I do have a little bit of a overlanding roof rack that we built, well, didn't build, but bought for the Allroad. That's got a Nomad overlanding. I'm not sure how wide this is, but I know it's, I think it's a 6.5 foot by 8.5 foot off-road awning, just to keep stuff dry outside of the Allroad. We've got the 29.5 inch off-road tires on the Allroad still, but today we're gonna be adding to the overlanding adventure capabilities of our sweet little twin turbo V6 6-speed manual Audi here. So we're gonna jump into first, obviously getting the original roof rack off of the Audi, and then we're going to be installing our fun new toy. And I'm sure at this point, with me emphasizing overlanding so much, you guys probably already know what that's gonna be, but I'm gonna slap you guys on the tripod. We're gonna get the roof rack off of here, and then I have a buddy helping to come install our new goodies. So for those of you that do have C5 Allroads and you actually do have factory roof rails, these measurements might be a little bit helpful for you. So the factory roof rails are exactly 48 inches wide, and then the proper mounting position from the rear roof rack to the front one is about 28 inches from inside to inside of both mounting points, and there are dots kind of like on the inside of the roof rails, the way that the roof rack mounting positions were. So I'm going to adjust obviously the rear one and move it back into the right position so that we are in the right load position for our new overlanding gear. So I'm just gonna quickly adjust that as well, and then Justin should be here to help us throw some goodies on. So I gotta find my keys. So just by looking at that, you can probably already tell what the goodies are that we bought, featuring Justin Chen. So we just have to mount some tabs to this real quick. Oh yeah, check out my sick Camp Allroad shirt that Mr. Chen bought me. Okay, so now we have to put the actual mounting hardware in, which is these guys, and these just slide into the rails that we were showing you under there. So I have more, no, I have more nuts. I just want to get it on a wrench so I can tighten it. All right, so the roof top tent do be mounted, and now we're gonna open it, see what it looks like.
Or are you just happy to see me?
Hell yeah! Now I go inside and watch Allroad roof collapse. There's no like good place to get like a wide angle of this. It do be looking spicy. I guess I should probably close my hood. This looks ridiculous. Like bruh, off-road Audi build. Looking kind of fresh though. Do be looking kind of fresh though. All right, before I like fully install everything, I'm actually gonna take my shoes off. Why do we already have a random bolt on the floor? You don't need it. Time to go in. Yo, this kind of stressy though. Yo, let's go. This is sick. Actually, I guess you might as well come in here. We got to test to make sure the weight of the Allroad's roof can handle it.
All right.
Do you take your shoes off?
Yeah.
Dude, this is actually pretty big in here.
Is this what you tell other girls?
Yo, and it's got, wait, hold on. How do you do this?
I had to put like button bill. That's pretty good.
It's got the skylight.
Wow, look at the stars, honey. They're so pretty.
You're the star. Yo, this is actually mint though. And it's not like super uncomfortable. Like if you got like another layer of like foam in here, it'd be pretty good. Yeah. Oh dude, it has another door?
That's crazy, dude. I love back doors.
This is pretty lit. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of the poles in and see how big this thing actually is. All right, so the rooftop tent is fully assembled on the Allroad finally. We've got all the poles and everything in place with the fly open and everything tied down. It definitely is a little bit big for the vehicle, but it does have a lot of presence now, which is absolutely sick. And then obviously if I ever do get a cool truck in the future, we will keep this bad boy. And like I said, the Allroad is under some body repair right now, so don't worry too much about that, but it looks absolutely sweet. We didn't really fire up any of the lights or anything on the inside for it right now. It's just kind of hanging. Actually, I guess I can use my phone light. You can't really see anything, but we'll obviously have some videos and stuff once we take this thing off-road and put it to use. We also still have to figure out how we're gonna mount the awning to the system on the other side so that we can still use that. That will about do it for the rooftop tent install on the C5 today. Like I had mentioned earlier, we're probably gonna be doing the full exhaust on the Allroad next, as I'm not personally handling too much of the body repair that's happening on the rear quarter because that's kind of really out of my abilities. I will be doing the paint for that because I have painted in the past before. So that will, I don't know if I'll really cover that. It's not really anything super interesting. The TDI, which is actually just over here, is currently bricked. So stage 4 is probably going to be held off for at least a couple more weeks, unfortunately, but we do have all of our parts ready to go. So we will be doing that fairly soon as well. And then we do have the swap kit for the Sonoma. If you have watched the LS swap videos, that will be coming fairly soon. But anyways, guys, thank you for checking out the rooftop tent install on the C5 Allroad. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video.